I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, my grandson's really into big trucks and stuff, and tractors and things, and at Walmart today we found this crane on the shelf. I looked at it and said, that was pretty neat, but that's way too expensive. But then I looked at it, it was $12.97. And it said marked down clearance to $9. And from there I went to the register, rang it up, and it said $5. So, pretty good deal. So I decided to bring it home and let's put it together. So let's dump everything out of the box. Okay, so we got everything laid out here. We got this big arm that goes out and does the lifting. We got this fancy bucket. It lifts up and down. Here's the base. Something that goes in and out. I don't know what it is for sure. And a whole bunch of little signs and such. You know, big rock. And then we got this big upright. Got a whole sheet of stickers. Over here we've got the batteries since they weren't included. And we got ourselves some sort of warranty sheet and the instructions to put it together. So let's get started. Let's get everything out of the way that we're not going to need right away. Okay, so we're going to start with the stickers. We got several that go on these signs, these cones, these other signs here. Got a couple over here, here, and one on the bucket. So let's get started. Okay, that's everything that gets stickers on it. So let's move aside everything we're not going to use now and start putting together. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put these two batteries in there. Looks like it'd be easy now and after it's assembled. Okay, we'll start by putting the base down and we'll put this upright in. It actually comes in 3 separate pieces, but they've had it assembled in the box, so that's good. And I guess we'll just stick it in there like that. Okay, next is to put this piece on the top, and it just slides right in here to the side. Just like that. And it's got 2 pieces that support it, which are these 2 big black hooks. One goes in the back like this. And that supports the rear, and then this big hook supports this giant arm. There we go. So, okay, there's two different things to decide what you want to put on here. One looks like it holds vehicles. There's a truck that comes with this, but my granddaughter stole that right away. Got a little switch here. You push forward, make it go out. And backwards, go up. And you can also adjust this piece out like this. But that looks like it works okay. And we can also take this off and put a bucket on the end of it. I think the grandkids will have fun playing with that. Or at least I know I will. Thanks for watching.